Welcome to English Travel Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a Chipotle restaurant. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between a couple, Ken and Lily, and the staff at the restaurant. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What does Ken order, a burrito or a bowl? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Oh, this is Chipotle. I see this name everywhere in America.
You have never been to Chipotle before?
No, this is my first time. I always wanted to try it.
Really? You are going to love it. The food is so good here.
What do they have? I can see a big menu board up there.
They have burritos, burrito bowls, tacos, and salads.
What is the difference between a burrito and a bowl?
A burrito has everything inside a big tortilla. They wrap it up in foil. A bowl is the same food, but in a bowl with no tortilla.
So a bowl is like a burrito without the wrap.
Yes, exactly. I always get a bowl because I like to see all the toppings.
I think I want to try a burrito. I want the full experience.
The full experience? Okay, but I have to tell you, the burritos here are very big.
How big?
Like, really big. You will see when you get it.
That sounds great. I am hungry today.
Good, because you will have a lot of food. So, do you know how the ordering works here?
No, not really. Do we order at the counter?
Kind of. They have a line. You walk along the line and tell the staff what you want at each step.
Each step?
Yes. First, you choose your base, then your protein, then your toppings. They make it right in front of you.
Oh, that is interesting. So I can see everything they put in.
Yes, that is the best part. You pick exactly what you want.
Okay, I am ready. Let's go inside.
Wait, one more thing. When they ask you about toppings, you can say just a little or extra if you want more.
Good to know. I will probably want extra of everything.
Your burrito is going to be huge.
That is what I want.
Okay, let's go inside. The line is not too long right now.
Great. I do not want to wait a long time.
Do not worry. The line here moves fast. Hi, welcome to Chipotle. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I would like a burrito, please.
Sure. What kind of rice would you like? We have white rice and brown rice.
What is the difference?
Our white rice has cilantro and lime juice in it. It has a fresh taste. The brown rice is more simple.
Cilantro and lime? That sounds good. I will take the white rice, please.
Great choice. And for beans, we have black beans and pinto beans.
What are pinto beans like?
Pinto beans are softer and a little lighter in color. Black beans are smaller and have a stronger taste.
I will try the black beans, please.
Perfect. Black beans and white rice for your burrito. Now you need to choose your protein. That is your meat.
What do you have?
We have chicken, steak, and 2 kinds of slow-cooked beef. Chicken is the most popular.
Slow-cooked beef? What is that like?
We cook the beef for many hours. It becomes very soft. It has a rich taste.
That sounds good. but I think I will start with chicken for my first time.
Chicken is a great choice. Now for toppings. What would you like?
What are my choices?
We have fresh tomato salsa, corn salsa, green salsa, red salsa, sour cream, cheese, lettuce, and guacamole.
I will have the tomato salsa, sour cream, cheese, and lettuce, please.
Would you like guacamole too?
Yes, please.
Guacamole is extra. It's about $3 more. Is that okay?
Oh, it costs extra?
Yes, guacamole is the only topping that costs extra. Everything else is included. We make it fresh every day with real avocados.
Well, it is my first time, so yes, please add it.
Great. Let me wrap your burrito now.
Wow, it looks so big.
Yes, our burritos are very big. I will wrap it in foil. The foil keeps it warm and helps it keep its shape.
That is smart. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now I will help the next person in line.
Hi there. What would you like?
I would like a bowl, please, with brown rice and pinto beans.
Sure thing. And what protein for your bowl?
Steak, please.
Great choice. Now, what toppings would you like?
I will have the tomato salsa, sour cream, cheese, and lettuce.
And guacamole? It is extra, but most people love it.
Yes, of course. I always get guacamole. It is the best part.
I agree. Here you go. One bowl with steak, brown rice, pinto beans, and all your toppings.
Thank you. It looks great. Can I ask you something?
Of course.
Is it always this busy here?
It depends on the time. Lunch is always busy, but the line moves fast because we make everything right here.
That is true. We did not wait very long.
No, usually about 5 to 10 minutes. The line looks long, but it goes quickly.
I like that about Chipotle. You can see your food being made, and it's still fast.
Yes, that's what makes us different. You choose everything yourself, step by step.
My friend just had his first Chipotle burrito. He was very surprised by how big it was.
Yes, that happens a lot. First-time visitors always say the same thing.
He's from Japan. He said food sizes in America are much bigger.
That is what many people from other countries tell us. Our sizes are big here.
Well, he loved it. I think he will come back.
That's great to hear. We love having new visitors.
One more question. Do you have hot sauce or anything extra we can take to our table?
Yes, we have bottles of hot sauce near the drink machine. And we have napkins and forks there too.
Great. I will get some hot sauce for him. He likes spicy food.
We have a few kinds. The green one is mild and the red one is more spicy.
I will take both and let him try. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal.
We will. Everything looks so good.
Have a great day.
You too.
Now, let's take a short break here. We are going to practice some useful words from today's video. We have 5 words today. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first word is burrito, meaning a Mexican food wrapped in a large tortilla. For example, I ordered a chicken burrito for lunch. The second word is bowl, meaning a deep, round dish used for serving food. For example, she ate a big bowl of rice. The third word is topping, meaning something you put on top of your food. For example, I want extra cheese as a topping. The fourth word is guacamole, meaning a green sauce made from avocados. For example, can I have some guacamole with my chips? The fifth word is wrap, meaning to cover something by folding paper or foil around it. For example, she will wrap the food in foil. Great work! That's all for today's word practice. Now, let's go back to Ken and Lily at the Chipotle restaurant.
Excuse me, where can I get a drink?
The drink machine is right over there. You get your cup here at the register and fill it yourself.
Oh, I fill it myself.
Yes, you get the drink yourself. Just take your cup to the machine and choose what you want. We have sodas, lemonade, and water.
That is easy. I did not know you get your own drink here.
Yes, most fast food places in America are like that. You can fill your cup again for free, too.
Really? I can fill my cup again for free?
Yes, as long as you are eating here. Just bring your cup back to the machine.
That is great. In my country, you usually pay for each drink.
Well, here you can drink as much as you want.
That is great. Thank you. I will get some lemonade. I love lemonade.
Good choice. Our lemonade is very popular. Is there anything else I can help you with?
Actually, yes. Can I also get some chips?
Sure. Would you like chips with guacamole, chips with salsa, or just chips by themselves?
Chips with guacamole, please. My friend told me the guacamole here is the best part.
She is right. Our guacamole is very popular. That will be $4.25 for the chips and guacamole.
Okay, that is fine. Can I pay for everything together? We have a burrito, a bowl, chips with guacamole, and 2 drinks.
Of course. Let me add everything up for you.
Thank you.
Your total is $32.50.
Okay, can I pay with a card?
Yes, you can tap or put your card in the machine right here.
Great. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you need anything else?
No, I think we have everything now. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your meal and have a great day.
You too. Thank you. Okay, we have our food. This burrito is so heavy.
I told you it would be big. It looks like a lot of food.
How do I eat this? Do I take the foil off?
No, not all of it. Open the top a little. Eat from the top. Then push the foil down slowly.
Oh, okay. Like this?
Yes, perfect. That way everything stays together and your hands stay clean.
Wow, this is really good.
Right? What do you think of the chicken?
The chicken is great, and the rice with the cilantro and lime is so fresh.
I love that rice. It is my favorite part.
How is your bowl?
It is so good. Look, I can see everything in here. The steak, the beans, the cheese, the guacamole.
Your bowl looks nice too, but I am happy with my burrito. I like having everything together in one wrap.
That is the good thing about a burrito. Every bite has a little bit of everything.
Exactly. But your bowl is also nice because you can eat each thing one at a time.
Yes, that is why I like bowls. I can mix things or eat them one by one. It is up to me.
Do you know how many calories are in this burrito? It feels like a lot of food.
Well, a Chipotle burrito with all the toppings can be over 1,000 calories.
1,000? Really?
Yes, sometimes more. With guacamole and sour cream and cheese, it adds up fast.
Well, I am on vacation, so I will not worry about it today.
That is the right way to think about it.
This is really good. I'm so glad we came here.
Me too. Now eat before it gets cold.
Wait, I want to take a picture of this burrito first.
Okay, take your picture, but then eat.
Done. I want to remember my first Chipotle burrito.
You will remember it. It is hard to forget a burrito this big.
Let's try these chips with guacamole now.
Oh, yes, I love the chips here. They are so warm and salty.
These are really good. And the guacamole is so fresh.
I know. So, what do you think of your first Chipotle experience?
I love it. The burrito was amazing. So much food.
I knew you would like it. Did you finish the whole thing?
Almost. I have a little bit left, but I am so full.
That is normal. Most people cannot finish a whole Chipotle burrito in one sitting.
Really? That makes me feel better. I thought I was just eating too slowly.
No, they are just really big. Some people save half for later and eat it for dinner.
That is a good idea. Maybe next time I will do that.
So, now that you have tried a burrito and you can see my bowl, which do you think is better?
That is hard. The burrito was great because every bite had everything together.
And the bowl?
Your bowl looked big too. I liked that you could see everything and mix it your way.
So, what would you order next time?
I think I would try a bowl next time. I want to try both and see which one I like more.
Good answer. Then you can decide which one you really like more.
What about you? Would you ever try a burrito?
Maybe one day, but I really like my bowls. I've been getting bowls here for years.
For years? You are a real fan.
I am. This was one of the first places I ate at in this city.
That is a nice memory. I understand why you come back.
The food is good, it's fast, and you choose exactly what you want.
I agree. I want to come back before we leave.
Already? We still have so many places to try.
I know, but we have to come back one more time.
Okay, deal. We will come back.
Great. Thank you for bringing me here.
You're welcome. I'm glad you liked it.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What does Ken order, a burrito or a bowl? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. If you want to study more, this channel also has a membership. Members get a special study guide PDF for every episode. Each PDF has the key words, useful phrases, and extra quiz questions that are not in the video. You can find the link in the description below. If you really want to improve your English, please give it a try. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.